Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn reverse number. So to take inputs from the user, we can create the scanner object. You see the scanner object. Okay. In that we have to pass system.in to take inputs from the users and then import the scanner. To import the scanner, we have to press Ctrl Shift O. Then it will get automatically import from the util package. Okay. So next, you have to write some sentence to print the inputs from the user. Here I am writing enter the number. Okay. Then you have to take some inputs from the users to reverse the number. So int number is equal to sc dot next int. हमें यूजर के पास से जो भी इनपुट्स मिलेंगे लाइक 1 2 3 4 वो हमें रिवर्स करना है लाइक 4 2 3 1. So do this we have to use while loop. Okay, just here pass one condition for the number. Given number is not equal to 0, then start the while loop. In that we can create one variable int reverse is equal to 0. Then just pass the condition like reverse is equal to reverse multiplied by 10, and after that do the addition of number which we have given to reverse the number, and use the modulus symbol and 10. This is the first condition. And second condition is number is equal to number divided by 10. These two conditions when fulfilled, then and then you will get the desired output. Okay, just closing bracket. After the closing bracket, just write system.out.println and give the message inside that reverse number is, and pass the variable reverse variable. Okay, let's check whether we get output by using this code or we have to do new code. Just click on run as Java application. Here console asking for the enter number, so I am entering 1 2 3 4 5 and just enter. See, we have got one output 5 4 3 2 1. So this logic is perfectly applied for the reverse number. So with the help of this code you can reverse the number. Okay, thank you for watching video. Please do like, share, subscribe.